2009 Ford E250 with a 5.4. If you've changed your fuel pump and the truck still doesn't start, but it'll crank, you checked your relays, you checked your fuses, you changed your fuel pump control module behind the axle on the driver's side, and the truck still cranks but won't start, I'm gonna save you time right now. There's a ground from the body to the chassis. Clean it up nice and replace it. Guaranteed that's the problem. 2009 E250 with a 5.4. Crank no start. Fuel pump changed. Fuel pump control module changed. Relay checked. Fuses checked. Still crank no start. Change that ground. It'll start. Have a good day.